Hey you, are you stressing about someone getting sick right before Thanksgiving, the holidays, Christmas, New Year's? Then stop. Start eating. One of my favorite things about TrueSeaMoss Superfood, this is the 5-in-1 blend that gives you extra immunity and even helps you manage stress. There's CMOS, which has over 92 essential minerals, ashwagandha to help you manage stress, black seed oil, ginger, vitamin C, all to help boost your immunity. And the best part, I'm bringing you first the cool deals that they have now during the uh, Black Friday week. Amazon has Black Friday week. So I've got some cool sea mosses, the 5-in-1 for immunity. If you love to taste a new flavor, the passion fruit, absolutely delicious. If you're looking for something spicy, and this is different pumpkin, it's not a regular pumpkin. I hate regular pumpkin. This one has some cayenne pepper, absolutely delicious. Are you looking something for your kids? There's all the gummies, of course. And last but not least, my savior, the green powder. I will link all the products below, but please take advantage of the Black Friday week because these sales aren't going to last long. And yeah, products are selling out. Love you always. As always, take care of yourself and each other.